This is one of the very important topic, which is the position time graph for moving object. In your exams, either position time graph or velocity time graph, this would ever come, either one question or two questions can come for the graph type. Right, now first case is, if an object is at rest. If an object is at rest, to draw such a graph, imagine a situation. This is along x-axis we are taking as time, and along y-axis we are taking the position. Right. For this, let us consider you are going to you are going to draw the graph for a person who is sitting in front of you. So, right, and you just start the stopwatch. At that instant, when you observe at 1 second, suppose that person is from you at 1 meter distance. Right, this is 1 meter. So when time t is 0, means when the stopwatch is not on, that in that case the position is 1 meter. When this is 1 second, the position is again 1 meter. 2 second, again position is 1 meter. 3 second, position is 1 meter, and so on. So it means when the person is at rest, in that case the graph will be a straight line parallel to the time axis. Or this is the graph for an object at rest, or for object which is stationary with respect to you. Now second case, if an object is in uniform motion along a straight line starting from origin. Uniform motion means we are talking here about uniform velocity or uniform speed. In this case, when we can draw the graph, this is again time axis and this is here position axis, right? In this case, we know that uniform speed means equal displacement in equal interval of time, right? Means the body is traveling in equal position. Suppose when time t is equal to 0, the particle is at origin, because we are measuring starting from origin, so position measurement will also be taken as origin. So at this position, the person stopwatch is off and the person is at this position. Right, now when it is 1 second, let the position is this. Suppose this is 1 meter, 1 or 2 centimeter, equal interval if we assign here 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Then again next time it is next position. You can see here this is almost equal intervals. When 3 seconds, the position is again. So we can see here equal distance in equal interval of time. So the graph will be a straight line inclined to the time axis. Similarly, next case is for the same case, starting from left of origin means now we will draw the graph like this. This is position and this is time. Left of origin means the graph like this. When we are talking about the right of origin, the graph will be like this. That will always be inclined to the time axis, but it will be starting from right to the origin for positive velocity. Right, for these all are for positive velocity because it is increasing, right? And but here the graph shown this side means your position measurements, time measurements have taken earlier to the origin, right? Means in this case the person is still at 0 position, but your stopwatch is on. And next case is, if an object is moving with the negative velocity starting from positive position, right? Negative velocity means now the graph is decreasing. Positive position means the particle has started from some positive position, means about this position, and that tends to decrease and becomes 0 finally at any time interval of time, right? The graph will be like this. Here this is the position again, and here this is time. Last case of this is, if an object is in non-uniform motion along a straight line. Non-uniform motion means unequal displacement in equal interval of time, or equal displacements in an equal interval of time. So in that case, in both cases, the graph that would come will be a curved line or any irregular curve.